Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we're doing another breakfast cake, breakfast bake. This is kind of my version of a lower carb baked oatmeal. We're still going to have a lot of fiber, a lot of protein, and we're sneaking in some great healthy fats from flax and hemp seeds. So very similar to my apple pie breakfast bake that I made last week. I'm going to include that here. You guys seem to really enjoy that recipe. This is probably one of my favorite combinations, which is lemon and blueberry. So I snuck in some poppy seeds in there because I love lemon and poppy seed. I'm working on a lemon poppy seed muffin, a little bit of a twist on that. Hopefully that'll come soon. But this is such a fantastic meal prep option for you that has everything that you need. Again, my focus being high protein and high fiber, and again with healthy fats. This is something that you can keep in the fridge for the week. You can freeze it as well. I would freeze each slice separately just so it's a little easier for you to defrost and to reheat in the morning. And we're doing a little yogurt glaze on top, which really adds to this breakfast bake. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to love and share and do all those things that really helps our channel grow. So let's take a few minutes and learn how to make this lemon blueberry poppy seed breakfast cake. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease a 9x9 baking dish. Next, we're going to grab a medium to large bowl, and we are actually going to add all of our dry ingredients. This is 1 cup of toasted almond flour. The toasting is optional. This is half a cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, 1/4 cup of ground flax, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk all of these ingredients until they're nicely combined. And then we're going to set the bowl aside. We are going to use the NutriBullet to mix the ingredients only because my cottage cheese is not blended. If you do have blended cottage cheese, feel free to do this in a bowl. That's 2 eggs. This is 1 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. We're using 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese. You can also use Greek yogurt. This is a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use coconut oil. This is the zest of 1 lemon. 1/4 cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, good quality, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Lastly, I'm adding the essential amino acids collagen powder. You can use any protein powder you like. We're going to blend on high for about 1 minute. We're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and we're going to give everything a really good mix. If you're interested in the essential amino acids collagen powder, I will link all the information in the description box. It's from Organica. Once everything has been mixed, we're going to pour the batter into our greased 9x9 baking dish. And we are going to add 1 cup of frozen blueberries. These are wild blueberries. Use whatever blueberries that you have on hand, or any berries really. And I'm actually going to just pat them in with my spatula. I like to do it this way because if I mix it in the batter, it's going to bleed completely and it'll be blue. And that's not what I want. And we are going to add 1/3 cup of flaky almonds on the top. You can add more or less. Completely up to you. We are ready to bake. We're going to bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes until toothpick comes out clean. Now let's make our yogurt topping. This is 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Use any sweetener you like. I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're just going to mix that through. We want this to be a little bit looser, so you can actually just spread it or pour it over. So I'm going to add a little bit of milk, about 1 or 2 teaspoons, just until it becomes pourable, I would say. I used about 2 teaspoons of milk total. You can also add some lemon zest if you like. And that looks good. We're going to grab our cooled lemon blueberry poppy seed breakfast cake, and we're just going to drizzle that yogurt over the top. You can reheat this with the yogurt topping on the top. I've done it before and it tastes just as good. Enjoy our high protein, high fiber lemon blueberry poppy seed breakfast cake. It is absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you try this lemon blueberry poppy seed breakfast cake, let me know in the comments below. Also, the measurements and ingredients are going to be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.